Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new video more for the channel. In this occasion we will be talking about the day 4 operating in this challenge of 10,000 being disciplined. Well, remember, if you're new here and you're interested in acquiring 5% discount in the best funding company, well, I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, and if you're new here, stay, because in the end, I will be explaining why this company is considered as the best. Or if you like, you can go ahead and then you come to what is the theme of this company. I will also be leaving you the community so that you can join there and can chat with other traders. Well, we have started this account this week. We have been trading for 5.25%, nothing more than 3 a day. If we realize and we come here to the days, we started on April 29th, let's see, 2%, on May 1, it started negative the month, and now we throw a 2% in the same way. The day of loss. Yesterday we uploaded it. It was a YouTube short so that you can see it and realize how that input was lost. Well, we have only been operating the EURUSD. If we realize, here are all the days traded. 1 day in loss, 3 in profits. So even losing the day of tomorrow we could profit, because we are applying minimum risk, 1.2. If it is 1.1, it does not, it works, because it does not help us to the statistics, but if it is above 1.2, it does not, it works a lot. Here I am explaining the trade so that you can take it and you can form your strategy from that. Let's see that the average gain is 218, and the average loss is 64.88. The profit factor 5.05, and the gain ratio 60%. Well, now let's go to the chart so that you can understand how was the entry of today. And, well, that was a sale, very good. In my opinion, I liked it too much, this entry. And we are going to be explaining here and why it was taken. If we realize yesterday was a day of extremely strong news, gave this movement to the rise. In London, in Tokyo gave this entry, and in London I was not awake. So I rule out this great entry from here above, that can give much higher profit ratios, although at that time I'm asleep. Then seeing that in session of Tokyo, because it had broken us the structure. If we realize, see, the structure was being basist. Here every time I was getting lower and lower, right? So that already gives me a signal that the price can give me an entry. So well, here we had an accumulation here. Let's see, and I'm going to mark it in red, so that you can understand that it was an accumulation, and I will remove the sessions. And what happens? Then when the price has accumulations, tends to break those areas and give us another entry. Because here possibly they are looking for sales, even though we have that accumulation there, and the price that it happens, because it makes us believe that it is a break. But if we are based on the larger structure, we realize that this was only a setback. It was not a change of structure. Possibly here people buy because they see that it has broken structure up. Possibly here they buy waiting for the price to get here. Then well, that would not have
any basis, although if we mark areas around here, possibly yes. But if we were based on the basis structure that we had, then we would have to be looking for sales, and finally the price goes around and comes back here and makes this break. And this break is the one that I observed. I got up in New York session. I'm getting up late, so I'm falling asleep. But I wake up on time for the session of New York. Then there was that entry, and I put a TP based on the fact that the price could get here and here, turn around, and why not take the purchase? Because I had already taken the sale, and I had had a positive day, and I could have had more positive entry here, but as one is not wise and does not know the movements of the market to perfection, that's why I did not take that purchase also. I had already met the daily plan, which is an entry to the day. Then well, here I took my entry. Let's go here so you can see that I do not lie to you. I do not invent other data. It was on May 2nd. The entry price says it was 1.06.696, 1.06.696. We mark here the entry data, 1.06.696, 1.06.696. And from there, we have 10 pips of stop loss, because I put a lot, and 20 pips of TP. See how beautiful the price does. Then the price reaches that area that had marked as a reaction area, and then it turns around. What would have happened if I left 1.03? Possibly I get stop loss because maybe I do not protect, or I like to protect because sometimes the price returns to my area, takes me out, and then goes to the TP area. Sometimes if I will have to protect to go taking care of my statistics, but at the moment I have not protected, and if we realize then the price reached that area, the truth, This was a beautiful area to make some purchases. We expected the price break here and take it here, and it would have been also two good entries. It's a shame that sometimes we do not trust these areas when the price is going down so intensely and with force. But here we have the entry of the today. I hope you like this type of videos and serve you to apply them in the market. Remember that if this type of content you like, leave your reaction, your comments, and can subscribe to the channel to be aware of more videos of this type. And well, this is how we go in our account. 2%, 2%. 2% minus 1%. Well, this has been all for today. What I wanted to show you in relation to the account, and they asked me why I did not make the video of the loss yesterday. Well, I made a YouTube short because I understood that the video would have been quite short if it had been a loss, so I did not feel like recording yesterday. So that's why I did not make a long video of the loss. But if there is another loss, I will do it a long video. Well, for people who are new around here and are looking for a reliable company and a company where they can do their challenge at a low price, here is the opportunity, as it has been. Funding PIP, with the discount that I leave you, you can start from $30. Here it says $32. This company does not usually give discounts, but with links, if you have a discount, $30, you have the account of 5,000, the 10,000 you have 57, the 25,000 in 132, the 50,000 in 227, and the 100,000 in $379. The truth is a quite economic price for people who do not have the resources to start those funding tests. I think that $30 anyone who works can have them if they do not work, because there is no way to have $30. So well, this is the opportunity. What makes different this company is that it pays us every 5 days after we have done our first operation in real account. We have 10 unlimited trading. It lets us operate as we want, and it has a scale plan that you can check it here so that you realize how that scale plan works. This company has 3 platforms: Mad Trader, C Trader, and Trader Locker. If you are not from the United States, do not choose one of those 2. Those who are not from the United States choose C Trader because it is the most stable platform. If you investigate, C Trader has many years in the market, almost has been as MetaTrader quite stable, and the truth is a platform very friendly and is very good to use, and there is no complaint with it. If you want to see how to use it, the spread, in my recordings that I do in my account, in my social network where I upload shorts too, you can go to see them. I also leave them in the description, and you will realize that the spread in EURUSD is 0. The truth quite friendly, so that you can take it into account. So that's what I wanted to mention about this company. If you are interested, there is the opportunity. If you have any questions, you can also do it to me, as long as you use the link, because some people do not use it and they still do not support it, and neither use the link that is, I leave here in the description. If you use it, you have all the right to that. I can answer all the questions you have. You tell me, look, I bought with your link and I have some doubts, and so there we can go talking. I'm always responding either by the social networks that leave in the description of this video. In any I can answer. Well, this has been the whole video for today. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Until next time.